How to fix cannot expand folder error in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application. So if you are encountering the problem that says cannot expand folder, what you can do is that you can just go ahead and try to repair Outlook with its built-in repair feature. So to do that, just go here to search, and then let's go ahead and type in the control panel, then click the control panel right here. From here, what we need to do is that we need to go to programs and features. So for example, I can change the view right here to large icons or to category. Then we can just go ahead and select programs right here. And then from here, click programs and features. From here, you will see all of your applications and programs installed in your desktop. From here, we just need to type in Microsoft. Then we will select this one, the Microsoft 365 apps for business. So just go ahead and select that, then click change right here, then click yes. From here, there are two types of repairs that you can do. So you can use quick repair, or you can also use online repair. So if you use quick repair, so this will fix most issues without the need for an internet connection. And then after you have tried quick repair, and then if you see that the cannot expand folder error is still happening, now you can go ahead and try to use online repair. So this will fix all issues, and it will take longer and requires an internet connection while using this option. So as I said, if you are still having problems using quick repair, you can go ahead and try online repair, and then that should now fix your problem. Keep in mind that if you go ahead and do this, it will take some time. So you just need to wait for it, for the repair to finish. Then what you can do is that you can go ahead and open Outlook again, and you can go ahead and see if you are still encountering that problem or if it's now fixed. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can fix the cannot expand folder error in Microsoft Outlook. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.